Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for deep learning. Today we have to see how to implement or achieve image classification in 5 steps with the help of pre-trained DenseNet model. So as of now, I have idea about the image classification. Image classification is a process of classifying the images based on the pixels and where you can easily train and at last classify the given image. It may be a, for example, if we take the category, if we consider the category of animals, we can say cat means cat, dog means dog, like that you can easily identify. So image classification is very useful. Where recognition also very important here. So if you want to implement the image classification, here we need support of DenseNet. Here we use the GitHub code where we are using the pre-trained coding from the internet only. So DenseNet. So DenseNet is one of the network deep learning model, and we can say densely connected CNN model, which is placed for variety of activities. That means we can implement density for various fields like NLP, object detection, image segmentation, semantic segmentation, and so on, and so on also. And DenseNet, DenseNet generally follow the feed forward structure where each layer connects with another one. That means it generally consists of a dense block followed by a transition layer, again dense block followed by a transition layer. At last, it produces the given result here. So here, if you want to implement the image classification with the DenseNet, here we have to follow the 5 steps. Step number 1, for import the necessary files, and we are going to implement with the help of PyTorch only. Step number 2, step number 2, we can check out we can download an example image from the PyTorch website, and then step number 3, we can apply the transformations for the given image. And step number 4, we can visualize the result. At last, we can go for the predict the final result. So here, step number 1, I told you just now. Install the images, install the library. So step number 1, you can install the Stars Vision Pillow, where it support the many things. We can try in the Google Colab only. Take some few seconds. After downloading, you can go to step number 2, that is import Torch, where we can import the PL from the import image. We are importing transform for applying transformation and download an example image. So here we are going to take the dog image and going to check whether it is working or not. That means prediction is possible or not. Visualizing the image possible. So we are going to download the image model, and then after downloading, you can go for another step called view. So if we want to open the image, you can give image.open of doc.jpg code. By default, it will open the dog image, very cute dog. Then we are going to read the class, and we can count the total image classes. So for this one, we are using the uh, print one and print method. Then it will display the information like image classes might be 1,000 and belongs to what category, like that. And next one is the transforming input image, because once the image is there, it may be in some other manner. So the images should be pre-passed, and it should be come under the category of size, normal size or something. The it because genset support like this only resize, where center crop and to tensor, and we can give them values like that. After this one, the image input image size will be from the 224 by 225 size only. Then we are going to pre-process. After pre-processing only, and moreover, pre-process step is very useful because it will help you to reduce the noise and give the clear image and improve the image quality as well as enhance the image also, image quality. Then we can go and train the model where we are giving the some information. Then we are going to use the torch method, then show the top categories as per image. We can give information like for loop and so on. Once you give the information, give the category of dog's name and give the percentage. Then we come with the plot result. So if you want to plot the result, we can get the help of Python code like import matplot package, then classes, and create the bar plot simultaneously. That means visualize the result. So once given this means it will display the input image of dog as well as the image classification. So successfully show the image classification. Dog is the one, white world, and so other categories, so artificial fox, atlas, Pomeranian, like that. So I hope that you understand what is image classification today and what is DenseNet and how you can implement successfully do the image classification with the help of pre-trained DenseNet with the help of this PyTorch. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.